popovers. I've never made them. Have you? Let's try it. The truth is, Regina and I have made or attempted to make Yorkshire puddings, which are popovers. And they were an absolute unmitigated disaster. So we're going to try and make popovers. I don't know what's going to happen. You don't need a popover pan, you need a muffin pan. After the UPD, unmitigated popover disaster, I apparently bought a popover pan, of which I have no memory whatsoever. This is a popover pan. Word to the wise, do not spray your pans with Baker's Joy inside your home because it goes all over the place. What you want to do is spray this out your window like this or in the back. I'm going. So I heated the oven to 400 normal. I'm a little hesitant about the convection because convection, as you know, is a fan and it blows the air. So I'm pretty sure they'd be fine on convection, but because I'm doing this for the first time in my life and it's on camera, I'm gonna use regular 400. So we're gonna do a conglomeration of the recipes that we looked at. And if you are watching this and you've made popovers, this might be hilarious, okay? Let's see what happens. Cup of milk. I love these. You know why? Because you can squeeze them. 3 eggs. I don't even know if I'm doing this in the right order, but I have a weird memory that it's supposed to rest, but I guess we're not doing that. Maybe that's Yorkshire puddings. So English people who are watching this, I'm pretty sure this is fairly close to a Yorkshire pudding. However, you don't use beef fat in the bottom. And if you're veg, you can't serve that anyway. But they put, when you're making roast beef, they take a little fat from the bottom of the pan and they put it in the popover pan or the muffin tin. We're going to use butter, which of course has a lower smoke point. Does he need help? I'm going to put salt. I'm looking at it. I'm going to put this much salt. I don't know. One lady wants you to put 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm not sure about that. So I'm gonna do 2. Oh, shoot. Sorry. You're supposed to put this in the oven. Don't worry, I'm putting it in the oven. I've come back. So all I did was put the pan in the 400 oven. That's meant to be hot before you do any of this. So maybe we will be resting it for a couple minutes. I'm gonna put the flour in. They said don't mix it too much. I don't know, right? Does this look like the popover batter you made, Adam? I'm gonna actually pour this in here. Oh, that makes exactly 2 cups. I'm also gonna put a little plop of butter into 6 of those, actually. This is 6, so I accidentally sprayed all 12. So I'm gonna make 6 little pieces of butter. How much butter? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Okay, shall we try this? Uh-oh, it's smoking hot. Oh boy! Yep, it's sizzling all right. 5, 6. I'm filling them incorrectly. They're not supposed to be this high. I'm gonna do one without butter just for an experiment. Second one without butter. All right, let's see what happens. Popover people are like, here we go, ow on the wrist pain. Here we go, ow on the wrist pain. Voila, because we've never made it before, so we're timing it. 20 minutes. reducing the temperature to, first of all, hello, I'm reducing this to 325. I will point out that the ones that didn't have the butter in the bottom are less impressive. So you want to leave these in until they're perfectly browned. She says this is a conglomerate, but they say 5. One says 5, one says 15. I think what they want is for it to be nicely browned. So just keep your eye on it. Wow, pretty impressive. Can you believe it that on camera, and we've had fails that you don't know about, okay, that this worked? I've never made popovers before. Never made popovers before. That sounded like I was drunk. I've never made popovers before, and look at this. Excuse me. I'm going to take these and put them in to a beautiful bowl. Hello. Popovers. You can poke holes in the popovers with a skewer just to let the steam out so that they stay high and crispy. They're meant to be eaten right away, but they're still delicious even if they collapse. Na 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 na.